I hope you're all doing good. So, I just got my package delivered by Flipkart. I had ordered an EduCard sample question paper book bundle for 480 rupees. I ordered it on September 24 and I received it on October 3rd. So, let me just remove the plastic coverings and everything and I will show you the books. So, I got mathematics, science, English and social science books. So first of all, let me show you the social science book. So all the sample papers in this book are strictly based on the official CBSE sample paper, and this book has OMR sheets and so many other things. I will just show you in a while. Also, this book was prepared by Shubham Pathak ma'am. And in case if you don't know, she was an educator at Vedantu and an academy, and now she has her own YouTube channel where she teaches. Now the contents of this book. First of all, we have the blueprint of the question paper, then we have time management chart, then important tips for MCQs, then objective maps, and then one CBSE official sample paper with solution, and then 7 other sample papers with solutions, and then we have 3 sample papers, self-assessment papers, only question paper. You won't get the solutions, however you will get a QR code which you can scan to get the solution, and also there are 2 other sample papers, but it's not there in the book. You have to scan the QR code, and then we have all the which I mentioned earlier, the evaluation chart and everything. And we have the objective maps. Now objective maps means you will get all the important points of a particular chapter, and it's actually helpful for last minute revision. You can just revise through the entire chapter. Now we have the official sample paper by CBSE with solutions, of course. Also after some solutions they are also giving related theory, means something relating to the question and all. So after this after the sample paper, they are also giving you the OMR sheet, but it's already filled with the correct answers. It's marked and everything, so you can check it if in case you don't know how to fill it and everything. And then we have the sample paper, solved sample paper. Actually the solutions are given after the question paper, alright. So first of all they will give you the question paper, and after that they will give you the solutions. Now I just increased the time speed because it's really boring to see, So also is they have given 7 sample papers, 7 solved sample papers and 3 sample papers, and they did not give the solution along with it, but you will get a QR code to scan, and if you scan it you will get the solution. And after that they have also given you the OMR sheet, 3 OMR sheets for the 3 sample papers. So in total you get 10 sample papers in this book and 1 official CBSE sample paper. And then in the beginning I mentioned that you will also get 2 sample papers extra, but you have to scan the QR code. So that's about it. Now we have the English sample paper, science, maths. Everything is basically the same, but in English you don't have the objective maps. You have focus points. I will just show you that. In all the other books there is objective maps, but in English you have special focus points. So I will just show you what that means. And everything else is the same, only that focus point is different. And yeah, we have reached the focus points. So in this section you will get some tips on what will be asked in the term 1 paper and how you can tackle those new categories of MCQs. And at the end of the focus points they have also given a short summary of all lessons along with the dictionary. or the meanings of important words. And everything remaining is all the same. You will get sample papers, 8 solid sample papers including the CBSE one, and 3 self-assessment papers without solutions, and 2 extra papers that you will get by scanning the QR code. Also, I have given the number of pages of each book on the screen in case if you want to know. And I ordered these books from Flipkart for 480 rupees, and on Amazon it costs around 499 rupees. I ordered from Flipkart because on Flipkart you will get to pay on delivery option. On Amazon you have to pay the money online and then you will get the books. Also, I was really confused between Oswald and Hitchcock books because they both are actually good, really good books. So I did not know what to do, and then finally I bought Hitchcock books because it was a little cheaper than Oswald books. But still, yeah, you can do your own research and buy the books you want. Also, it does not really matter if you have the book or not. It's your preparation that matters, alright? And you can get so many sample papers online. You don't have to actually buy these books. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Also, this video was not sponsored at all. I paid the money and I bought the books, and I made the video because I thought it would be useful. Or else I won't be sponsored. I don't even have 50 subscribers. So yeah, please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.